Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case it's your first time, consider smashing that subscribe button. My name is Murugi. Basically, it's really a lot of work. I don't want even to proceed to the other areas. That is basically where my stuff is, and I have the cleaning stuff, water, and kitamba, of course. And obvious guys, there is this part that I forgot to show you. My house is really tiny. Hey, I have to like push a seat in a certain way so that I can be able to clean. But I'm planning to move into a bigger house because my seat is really spacious and it's like not fitting in this room. Let me show you. Look at this part. I've just pushed this seat up to the edge so you can't even pass to the other rooms because
I ain't worried about nothing, I ain't worried about nada. You're sitting pretty impatient, girl, I know you gotta put them in hours, baby, make it harder. You're sending pic after picture, girl, give me fire. You know I'm always on the night shift, and you can stand these nights alone. Yeah, you don't need no explanation, 'cause baby, I'm the boss at home. I ain't gotta go to work, but I gotta put in work. I ain't gotta go to work. Let your body do the work. We can work from home. We can work from home. Let's put it in motion. Girl, give me a promotion. Let's make it feel like a vacation. Turn a bed into an ocean. We don't need nobody, I just need your body. Nothing but sheets in between us, ain't no getting up early. You know I'm always on the night shift, and you can stand these nights alone. Yeah, you don't need no explanation, 'cause baby, I'm the boss at home. I ain't gotta go to work, but I gotta put in work. I ain't gotta go to work.
For you and I, for you and I, for you and I think of the night in the park, it was getting dark and we stayed up for hours. What a lie, what a lie, what a lie. You cling to my body like you wanted it forever. What a lie, what a lie, what a lie for you and I. What a lie, what a lie for you and I. For you and I. What a time, what a time, what a time for you and I. What a time.
Do you love the rain? Does it make it dance when you're drunk with your friends at a party? What's your favorite song? Does it make it dance? Do you think of me? When you close your eyes, tell me, what are you dreaming? Everything I wanna know it all. I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweet heart of yours. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours or the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you.
Yo. Hey guys, so I'm from the market. I needed to collect some vegetables because I think buying them from supermarket it's quite expensive. Hey wadau, hey gunia mzima. So let me show you. By the way, I didn't record uko kwa market because my phone just went off. But here is what I've gotten from the market. It's a lot, guys, and cheap. This is terere, 30 bob. It's quite. Hiyo sukuma ni ya 50 kwa peke yake. Hiyo nitakula wiki mbili. Hey, kitunguu ya 30. Na sasa imagine I didn't go early, Leo sikuwa mapema ndio best. So, I got the mahindi. Come close. I don't need to remove this. Chuniwaru. These are potatoes, carrots. You can show them. Yeah, potatoes and carrots. Wow. That's all.
Do you love the rain? Does it make it dance when you're drunk with your friends at a party? What's your favorite song? Does it make it dance? Do you think of me? When you close your eyes, tell me what are you dreaming? Everything I wanna know it all. I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours or the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you. Do you miss the road that you grew up on? Did you get your middle name from your grandma? When you think about you forever now, do you think of me? When you close your eyes, tell me what are you dreaming? Everything I wanna know it all. I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours or the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. Ooh, want the good and the bad, everything in between. Ooh, gotta cure my curiosity. Oh yeah, I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours. I ain't worried about nothing, I ain't worried about nada. You're sitting pretty impatient, girl, I know you gotta put them in hours, baby, make it harder. You're sending pic after picture, girl, give me fire. You know I'm all